In this video, I will show you how to create a simple terrain. Firstly, click on the line tool and draw a shape that is similar to circle. And then let's continue with circular drawings by using the line tool within the shape. Then number the height setting of these lines as desired, starting from the Z point. So I want to make the smallest drawing as if they were peaks, so I make their heights higher than the others. Then after click on the largest drawing, I click on terrain from compound object. Then I click on each line by selecting the peak operand. And we can see the terrain formation now. So you can try different forms from form option. Then see how the terrain will look with Mesh Smooth. Then select Mesh Smooth from the modifier list. Then you can play with the iteration or play with the smoothness settings. It depends on what do you need. And thank you for watching.